We're going to pick up where we left off in the previous video by starting with the stand. And I'll auto-retopologize that. And OK. Next and next. Let me go ahead and split rings. We can use these objects as presets if we want. Move it into place. I can see through it somewhat. Scale it down. Let's hit apply. Yes, I'll snap it. And the good thing about using these presets is they already have UVs applied. So what I'm going to do is take this one that we just created. I'll select all the faces. Go to clone. Just move it into place. And hit apply. Yes. Reduce the opacity. Hit escape to drop the selection. I'll go ahead and hide these other two objects. Let's go ahead and try auto retopo on this. Right click. Okay. Next and next. It did a fairly good job all on its own, but I'm not all that happy with the result here. I'll just go ahead and delete that layer, then start from scratch using the Points and Faces tool. This will allow me to quickly plot out the topology with points as if they're vertices. I can right click over a preview that I like, and it creates the polygon. I can right click over a vertice and drag it to reposition it on the fly. So let's split rings. Every once in a while the Points and Faces tool might get a little fussy with you like it's doing here, but when it does you can always switch to the Quads tool for more precision. This is the two-click method. Hover over your initial edge, then click on your next 2 points. You can also use direct. Because the direct method gives you a little bit of latitude to change the angle, it gets a little bit wonky around the edges. So you just have to use each one for what they're good at. Going back to the Points and Faces tool and right clicking and dragging to nudge the vertices into place. Okay, so I'll go back to the Quads tool. Let's go back to the two-click method and switch back to perspective view. Okay, let's go ahead and use symmetry on this. Then I'll click on the sim copy icon right here. I'll undo, so I know it's copying from this side. All I do is uncheck my invert mirror. There we go. And make sure my mirror snapping is turned up. Also like to make sure that virtual mirror mode is turned off. That way I know for sure these are real polygons over here, not just a preview. Okay. So let's go ahead and use the points and faces tool again. Okay, and that's really all there is to that. I'll hide the base. And let's go ahead and use the points and faces tool again. I'm right clicking and dragging the vertice, and that way it's welding any other vertice that it's hovering over. Okay, and that's it. I'll go ahead and rename this base extension. And that's going to conclude our retopology project. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.